This is a super exciting desktop air conditioning unit. First of all, let's go ahead and turn it on and listen. It has a time where it can run for 2 hours or 4 hours and automatically shut off. And then, now watch this. Now, it also has a little handle so you can easily move it around. And let me show you something in the back. This is where you add water. Sorry. Okay. And you just pour, I'm wanting, you just pour water right in there. And as you can see, it shows the level of how much water you have in there. And this closes. And that adds moisture if you'd like it or not. And I really do like this. The speeds, once again, just a light, like if you're sleeping. I like it.